In today's digital age, businesses increasingly rely on cloud services for data storage and operations. The cloud offers flexibility, scalability, and cost savings. However, with these advantages comes the critical need for robust cloud security. Protecting sensitive information is more important than ever. Cloud security ensures data is safe from unauthorized access and cyber threats. A breach can result in severe financial losses and damage to reputation. Ensuring cloud security is essential for maintaining trust with clients. Cloud environments, while convenient, are not without risks. Data breaches are a major threat. Hackers exploit vulnerabilities to access sensitive information. These breaches can cause financial loss and reputational damage. Misconfiguration is another common risk. Incorrect setups create security gaps. Misconfigured storage can expose sensitive data. Insider threats also pose significant risks. Employees might misuse data intentionally or accidentally. Software vulnerabilities can be exploited. Regular updates and patches are essential. Awareness and proactive management are vital for cloud security. Data encryption is a cornerstone of cloud security. It involves converting data into a code to prevent unauthorized access. Even if data is intercepted, it remains unreadable without the decryption key. Encryption should be applied both in transit and at rest. When data is being transferred between the cloud and users, it must be encrypted to prevent interception. Similarly, data stored in the cloud should be encrypted to protect it from unauthorized access. This ensures a higher level of security. Businesses should use strong encryption algorithms and manage encryption keys securely. It is also essential to regularly update encryption protocols to counteract evolving threats. By prioritizing data encryption, companies can significantly enhance their cloud security posture. Section 4. Multi-factor authentication and access control. Multi-factor authentication, or MFA, is a critical security measure. It requires users to provide multiple forms of identification. Typically, this includes a password, a mobile device, and biometrics. Implementing MFA reduces the risk of unauthorized access. Access control defines who can access what data. Businesses should grant users the minimum access necessary. Together, MFA and access control safeguard sensitive information in the cloud. Section 5. Regular audits and compliance measures. Regular security audits are essential to maintaining cloud security. Audits involve reviewing and assessing cloud configurations, policies, and practices to identify and address vulnerabilities. They help ensure that security measures are effective and up to date. Compliance with regulatory standards is also crucial. Regulations like GDPR, HIPAA, and PCI DSS set stringent data protection requirements. Businesses must stay compliant to avoid legal repercussions and maintain client trust. Compliance involves implementing required security measures and maintaining detailed documentation. Audits and compliance measures must be conducted regularly to adapt to changing threats and regulations. They provide a structured approach to managing cloud security, ensuring all aspects are covered comprehensively. Section 6. The need for continuous vigilance in cloud security. Cloud security is not a one-time task. It requires continuous vigilance and proactive management. Cyber threats are constantly evolving, and security measures must adapt accordingly. Businesses should invest in ongoing security training and awareness programs for their employees. Regular monitoring and incident response planning are also crucial. Businesses should have protocols in place for detecting and responding to security incidents swiftly. This minimizes potential damage and ensures a quick recovery. Staying updated with the latest security trends and technologies is essential. Businesses should leverage advanced security tools and collaborate with experts to enhance their security posture. Continuous vigilance and proactive management are the keys to safeguarding data in the cloud. Section 7. Conclusion. In conclusion, cloud security is paramount for protecting business data and operations. By understanding common risks and implementing best practices like data encryption, MFA, access control, regular audits, and compliance measures, businesses can significantly enhance their cloud security. Continuous vigilance and staying updated with security trends are crucial to counteract evolving threats. Prioritizing cloud security ensures trust, compliance, and protection against cyber threats.